Ideal temperatures range from 64 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit with consistent rainfall or irrigation of around 50 inches annually. Selecting the proper site for a coffee plantation is critical to ensure optimal growing conditions. Soil and leaf analysis helps farmers determine which nutrients need to be added through fertilizers. The growth cycle of coffee plants depends on the variety, but generally takes between 3 to 5 years from planting seedlings until the first harvest. Proper pruning techniques are used during the juvenile phase to establish the plant architecture and encourage branching. Coffee plants produce flowers and cherries throughout the year but have distinct flowering and fruiting peaks during specific seasons. Optimal temperatures and day length trigger flowering and fruit development. Irrigation strategies range from basic flood irrigation to drip irrigation systems that precisely deliver water to coffee roots. Modern sensor technologies can automatically adjust irrigation based on soil moisture readings. Irrigating coffee plants with treated wastewater has also grown in some regions facing water scarcity. Weeding is essential during the first few years until the coffee canopy closes in to shade out competing vegetation. Herbicides are sometimes used, but organic mulches and manual weeding are more common. Pest and disease outbreaks threaten coffee crops and require integrated management approaches. Natural enemies, organic pesticides, pheromone traps, and biocontrol agents help farmers tackle coffee berry borer beetles, rust fungi, root rot, and other issues. Precision agriculture technologies like GPS soil sampling, variable rate fertilizer applicators, and sensor-based crop monitoring systems are increasingly being adopted to optimize inputs and boost yields. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, equipped with multispectral cameras can detect nutrient deficiencies, inspect plant health, and aid in precision spraying applications across large plantations. Advanced harvesting technologies like mechanized coffee cherry harvesters and optical sorters can significantly reduce labor inputs and costs. Post-harvest processing using mechanized pulping, washing, and drying systems ensures high-quality green coffee beans ready for export. Traceability systems that track coffee from farm to cup also help command premium prices by verifying sustainability practices and origin. In summary, a combination of traditional knowledge, improved farming practices, and innovative technologies underpin the global coffee industry. Coffee plant care requires applying the right mix of site selection, soil amendments, pruning, irrigation, pest management, precision agriculture solutions, and post-harvest processing tailored to specific growing conditions and crop requirements. With continued innovation in technology and know-how, the coffee sector will continue to identify solutions that enable higher yields, improved sustainability, and farmer livelihoods for one of the world's most cherished crops. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, consumed by millions of people each day. The technology used to grow and care for coffee plants has evolved significantly over the years, as farmers have sought to increase yields, improve quality, and reduce environmental impact. In this paragraph, we will explore some of the key technologies used in coffee growing and care around the world. One of the most important technological advancements in coffee growing has been the development of new varieties of coffee plants. These new varieties are often more resistant to pests and diseases, more productive, and better suited to specific growing conditions.